So, you're having another workshop. 3 hours, good ideas, but no concrete outcomes. Some members feel kind of invisible, while some steal the show.
I think my idea was the best.
And on top of all of this, you have people joining remotely.
I think I'm having internet problems.
What a productivity nightmare, huh?
Take your workshops to a whole new level with Mentimeter. Imagine a world where you can easily gather honest insights from your team, where you can visualize each and every idea in order to make a decision quickly as a group. A world where your team can give real-time feedback,
Even if they're joining remotely.
Mentimeter transforms brainstorming sessions and workshops. Anyone can ask questions or express their opinions at any time anonymously,
Creating a safe environment for everyone to contribute.
If you're aiming for more dynamic, inclusive, productive,
Better workshops. I have one word for you, Mentimeter.